Living in a tiny house doesn't mean you have to compromise on style or functionality. With a bit of creativity and resourcefulness, you can turn your small space into a cozy, stylish, and efficient home. Here are some DIY decor hacks to help you maximize every inch of your tiny house while reflecting your personal style. Multifunctional furniture, the key to maximizing small spaces. When living in a compact space, every square foot counts. Multifunctional furniture is the ultimate solution, transforming a single piece of furniture into several useful elements. This clever approach allows you to make the most of your home, ensuring comfort and practicality without compromising on style. Start with a storage ottoman. This versatile piece serves as both a comfortable seat and a hidden storage space for blankets, books, or magazines. Its dual function makes it perfect for small living rooms or apartments where every inch of space is valuable. Next, consider a fold-out table that can effortlessly switch between a desk by day and a dining table by night. Whether you're working from home or enjoying a meal with friends, this flexible piece keeps your space organized and functional. No more worrying about clutter or overcrowding. Everything has its place. Lastly, opt for a sofa bed or day bed. These pieces offer seating during the day and transform into a cozy guest bed at night. Ideal for small apartments or studios, they ensure you're always prepared for visitors without sacrificing precious space. In a small home, your walls can be your greatest allies. By utilizing vertical space, you can create more room for storage, organization, and decoration without taking up valuable floor space. Wall-mounted solutions offer both functionality and style, helping you make the most of every inch. Floating shelves are a simple yet effective way to add storage and display space to your home. Install them in the living room, bedroom, or hallway to showcase plants, books, or unique decorative items. Not only do they keep things off the floor, but they also create a sense of openness and airiness. For areas that require more organized storage, consider using pegboards. Perfect for the kitchen, bathroom, or entryway, pegboards allow you to hang utensils, tools, or accessories, keeping them easily accessible and neatly arranged. They can be customized with hooks and baskets to fit your needs, adding both convenience and a bit of modern flair to your space. A foldable wall-mounted desk is another fantastic space-saving solution. When you need a compact workspace, this versatile desk can be folded down from the wall, providing a place to work or study without taking up precious floor space. When you're done, simply fold it back up, leaving the area open for other activities. Start by installing a hanging planter system. Whether you purchase a pre-made set or create your own with recycled materials, such as old wood pallets, you can hang a variety of plants in creative ways. This not only saves space, but also adds an artistic element to your walls, turning your home into a mini indoor garden. For the kitchen, why not build a wall-mounted herb garden? Fresh herbs like basil, mint, or thyme are easy to grow and can be mounted on the wall, keeping them within arm's reach while cooking. It's an efficient use of space that brings both practicality and a natural touch to one of the busiest rooms in your home. Finally, incorporate small potted plants on shelves, mantels, or countertops to add a lush and lively vibe. These can be simple succulents or more vibrant flowers, depending on your style and preference. Small plants placed strategically can create visual interest and give your home a cozy, welcoming feel. Start with large mirrors or mirrored panels on your walls. These not only reflect natural or artificial light, brightening up the space, but they also create the illusion of depth, making the room feel bigger and more expansive. Place a large mirror strategically to open up narrow hallways or cozy living areas. For a more subtle touch, incorporate mirrored furniture or accessories. A mirrored coffee table, side table, or decorative items like trays and lamps add a hint of glam and elegance without overwhelming the room. These pieces catch the light beautifully, adding sparkle and sophistication to even the simplest spaces. If you love a more personalized touch, why not try creating a DIY mirror collage wall? Use thrifted or repurposed frames of varying sizes to create a unique and stylish focal point. This fun and affordable project can turn your wall into a statement piece, giving your room character while amplifying light and space. Start by adding fairy lights or LED strips under shelves or cabinets for a soft, ambient glow. These subtle illuminations are perfect for creating a calming atmosphere without overwhelming the room. The gentle light highlights your decor while adding a touch of magic, making the space feel warm and welcoming. If you're looking for a more creative lighting solution, consider building a DIY hanging pendant light using simple materials like mason jars or wire baskets. This personalized project allows you to bring your own style into the space, while the soft overhead light adds warmth and charm. It's a fun and budget-friendly way to enhance the room's vibe. To maximize space, opt for wall sconces instead of traditional table or floor lamps. Wall sconces free up valuable surface area, making your space feel less cluttered. They provide focused lighting while enhancing the overall aesthetic with their stylish design. Whether you choose sleek, modern sconces or vintage-inspired pieces, wall-mounted lights bring both function and beauty to your small home. Start with under the stairs drawers. The space beneath your stairs is often overlooked, but it's a goldmine for hidden storage. By building custom drawers or cabinets, you can store everything from shoes to books or seasonal items, keeping them out of sight but easily accessible. This not only makes use of an otherwise wasted area, but also adds a streamlined, organized look to your home. Next, consider using crates or baskets on wheels that can slide under your bed or sofa. These rolling storage containers are perfect for storing extra linens, shoes, or other items you don't use daily. The wheels make them easy to pull out when needed, and when tucked away, they maintain a tidy and neat appearance. For a more creative and functional touch, try magnetic storage boards. These are ideal for the kitchen, bathroom, or workspace. Use them to store spices, tools, or beauty products by attaching magnetic containers or hooks. Not only does this keep everything within easy reach, but it also saves counter and drawer space while giving your walls a modern and industrial flair. In a small space, it's essential to make every item count, especially when it comes to decor. Why not choose decorations that serve both aesthetic and practical purposes? By selecting multifunctional pieces, you can enhance the beauty of your home while making it more organized and efficient. One clever idea is to hang a decorative ladder. Ladders aren't just for climbing, they can also serve as stylish storage. Lean one against the wall and drape it with blankets or towels. Not only does this add texture and charm to your space, but it also provides a practical place to keep your cozy throws or fresh linens within easy reach. Another versatile option is woven baskets, which can serve as both storage and wall art. Use them to store anything from magazines to toys, while their natural texture and design can elevate the look of your space. Hang a series of baskets on the wall for an interesting, rustic display, or place them around the room for a chic, functional touch. Finally, consider a decorative wall clock that doubles as a piece of art. A well-designed clock not only helps you stay on time, but can also act as a focal point in your living room, kitchen, or hallway. Whether you opt for a minimalist design or something more intricate, it's an effortless way to combine function with beauty. One of the most effective space-saving solutions is a Murphy bed. This folding bed tucks neatly into the wall when not in use, freeing up valuable floor space during the day. Whether you're hosting guests or just want a more open living area, a Murphy bed allows you to enjoy a full-size bed without the permanent footprint. Another great idea is a DIY drop leaf table. These versatile tables feature hinged sides that can be folded down when you don't need them, creating a compact, space-efficient dining or work area. When you need extra surface space, simply unfold the leaves to create a full-size table and fold it back when you're finished, giving you more room to move around. Finally, collapsible stools or chairs provide flexible seating options that can be stored flat when not in use. These lightweight, portable seats are perfect for tight spaces, offering extra seating when needed but easily stored away to keep your floors clear. Start by painting your walls in soft whites, light grays, or pastel shades. These hues reflect light, creating a brighter and more expansive atmosphere. Light colors help to open up a room, making it feel less cramped and more welcoming. Whether you go for a crisp white, a subtle beige, or soft powder blue, these shades can help maximize the sense of space without overwhelming the room. To keep your home feeling fresh and personal, you can add pops of color with accents like throw pillows, rugs, or artwork. These small additions inject personality into the space without cluttering it. Choose vibrant or bold colors for your accessories, such as rich blues, warm yellows, or deep greens, to create focal points that add interest and warmth. The key is balance. Allow the light and neutral tones to create an open base, then layer in colors that reflect your style and bring the room to life. DIY projects are a fantastic way to add your personal touch to a tiny house, all while saving money. One simple idea is to repurpose old furniture by giving it a fresh coat of paint or updating it with new hardware. Suddenly, it feels brand new without breaking the bank. Vintage suitcases are another creative solution. Stack them to create unique storage or use them as charming side tables that add both character and function. And don't forget about wall art using scrap wood, fabric remnants, or even pressed flowers. You can craft one-of-a-kind pieces that truly reflect your style. These DIY projects not only save you money, but also make your tiny house feel uniquely yours.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.